The precision bearings need to be mounted face to face on the spindle, and typically the face side has the writing and it's a little bit wider than the back side. They're a tight fit, so you're going to need to press them on. So this will be the face side, and this is the face side, so they mount like this. We use a high temperature grease to fill the bearings. Now the bearings don't have to be filled all the way, only around 70%. So force the grease in. Both sides, about 70%. This also helps to put some excess of the grease on the seal. And a little build up at the back of the seal. This just can be done with your finger. The lock washer has a tang on it. Now that tang is going to, well, you need to put the seal on first. This is a seal to cover the grease in the bearing, and it goes on this way. And then you put the tab washer, so the tang goes down the slot. Next, the nut goes with the chamfer towards the chamfer on the lock washer. At this point, we're only tightening down finger tight.